Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that Lionel 1060 that arrived this afternoon is running really well. So I've added a total of 12 cars. I've installed the headlight. Just want to do a quick video so you can see this thing running. That's 50% power. You can see this thing is just flying around this rail. So it's running really well. Pulling 12 cars, those two tankers weigh about, I don't know, probably a pound between the two of them. It's a lot of weight that little locomotive is pulling. Let's slow it down to 40% power. So as you see, it was well worth the 14 bucks. There's no doubt about that. This cleaned up, turned into a really decent locomotive. It runs forward only, but it sure does run. Having no trouble at all pulling that consist. So anyway, just want to do a quick follow-up video on this Lionel. 14 bucks on eBay. And that is just running absolutely splendidly. And other than lubrication and cleaning it, I've had to do nothing to it at all, other than straighten that rear axle on that truck that was bent. The rest of it was literally just cleaning it up, touching up the paint, installing a light bulb, and oiling it. Soap and water on all the other parts. But it's running just absolutely perfectly. No problem with it of any kind. So this turned out to be a great little locomotive. Nice starter set. And I've just added cars to it. And as you see, this turned into a rather nice train. So it looks nice, it runs well, it was inexpensive. What more can you ask for? Anyway, just a quick follow-up on this. Just got the light bulb installed. I just installed a standard 12-volt bulb, just modified it so it would fit in a bayonet socket. A 6-volt bulb would be much brighter. But it saved me a trip to the auto parts store tonight, and I want to get a light bulb in there. So just modified a standard Marks bulb, stuck it in there, and it's working good enough for now. Anyway, I just want to do a quick follow-up on this. It is running just absolutely perfectly. You couldn't ask it to run better than this. So a really nice consist, it looks nice, it runs great, and it was really cheap. So just a quick follow-up. Again, I gotta say it, don't overlook the junk. I was the only bidder on this. And it is running just absolutely splendidly. So just a quick follow-up. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.